Evening, everybody. Welcome to Cecar. Tonight, we are going to be talking about the most relevant things have happened in our university time. Let's start. During this month, we were to witness the rise of the several students who reached the dream we had of Cecar, achieving their degree as English graduates and hope to be able to work home. The celebration took place in the main auditorium in the University Corporation in the city of Celeste, following on Biosafety protocol in a simple ceremony with professors and students. Finally, we wish you the best in your new state of life. Much congratulations and blessing to all. See you next week, the News.